Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to sell your iPhone or just basically reset your iPhone and pass it down to maybe your family members or your siblings, but unfortunately you forgot your iCloud password? And this is a very very common thing, and especially for myself, I also forget my iCloud password because all the time, iCloud always asks me to change password like every few months, all this and that, and the password cannot be like very similar to the previous, not like just a change of a number or just change of a like alphabet or all this. You have to be like completely different password. So sometimes I just forget to write it down and I really forget it, and like if you want to reset it and you don't give it to your first friends, family or siblings, or just sell it away, all right, you can't do that unless you remember your password. All right, so today I'm going to show you a way that you guys can actually reset your phone without the need, all right, to log in or remember the password to your iCloud account. And what tool am I going to use? Well, I'm going to use this tool right here. So this is the passfab iPhone unlock, and this thing has been really helpful with any issues you have with your iPhone. So basically I have this software for quite some time now, especially whenever my friends or family members or anyone who have facing some issues with their iPhones, all right, like forgetting of their passcode, forgetting their like iCloud passcode password as well, all right, or even like iCloud activation log, all this as well. All right, this software can help me with any of this, and I can use this to help them, which is really awesome and super incredible. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself, and you guys can see what are the features it has, what it can do, and followed by a quick demonstration to show you guys how easy and how straightforward it is, all right, to reset your phone without the need of an iCloud account password. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software first. Let's go. Alright, you guys can see right behind me, this is this software itself, and you guys can see, alright, this includes a lot of different things for you, which is super generous of them. As you guys can see, they have unlocking of iOS screen, especially if you forget your passcode to your iPhone, alright, and as well as removing your iCloud activation lock if you are facing any of the issue, or disabling of Find My iPhone, removing your screen time passcode, removing of my mobile device management, and as well as the one we'll be focusing on today is removing of Apple ID and resetting your phone without the need of the password to your Apple ID. So yeah, it's very generous of them to give like all kind of features they have. So next time you meet anyone or someone or like your close one having issue with their iPhone, well, you know which software to use. Alright, so today we're just focusing on removing Apple ID. So what we're gonna do is just to click on remove Apple ID and just click on, and just first of all you just have to connect your device to your PC or your laptop. So once you connect it via cable, alright, and you should just follow some on-screen instructions to get your phone into DFU mode, and just few simple click of a button. In less than 20 minutes time, you guys can get your phone reset and without any issue. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration itself so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward the whole resetting process is. Alright, so you guys can see this is my iPhone with a problem, and you guys can see if I enter my passcode and iPhone unavailable, and yeah, I can't reset it, all this and that, and if I want to like reset my phone, alright, if I press on I forget passcode, alright, just need to start an iPhone reset. I forget my passcode, so there's no way to reset my iPhone. So this is where this passfab iPhone unlock comes in. Alright, so all I have to do is just to click on the iOS screen and just follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, like I said earlier on. Alright, once it's done, alright, you will say just follow the on-screen instruction, like confirm your device connect to the computer by pressing the volume button, all this, and just follow the on-screen instruction. Alright, and after that you just need to make sure your phone model, alright, version all is correct. Alright, and it should just choose the path where you want to download the firmware to, and just click on download. Alright, so once you click on download, you will start downloading. It depends on how fast your internet is. Alright, for me it take about 15 minutes. Alright, and once the firmware is downloaded, you guys can click on start to remove. Alright, and this process also take about like 5 to 10 minutes, and once the removing is done, you will say successfully remove. Alright, screen lock removed successfully, and your phone should reset, and you're brought back to the welcome to iPhone page, and you guys can see everything, it has been reset. Alright, to stock, you guys can see right over here. So yeah, this is how easy it is, alright, to reset your phone without the need of an Apple ID or a password to your Apple ID. Alright, so you guys have seen from the whole resetting process itself is very easy, very straightforward. You don't have to be super tech savvy to do that. Alright, you guys can do it. Just get a cup of coffee and just let the software do the job. And after a few minutes time, well, your phone has been reset and ready to pass down to someone else or resell it on the second-hand market. So this is how easy and how straightforward it is. So yeah, after seeing the whole demonstration process itself and you're intrigued to get this right here, alright, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this passfab iPhone unlock right away, and you don't have to worry about forgetting your iCloud password anymore when resetting your phone. So yeah, this is one of the most reliable ways because I have actually used this software to help me remove iCloud activation lock on my iPhone 12 Pro that I got last time. Alright, and it's been really reliable since, and I've helped like a few of my friends, you know, unlocking their passcode when they forget their passcode because it was passed down to their like their younger siblings, and you know, when they're like playing around and fidgeting around, and somehow they actually set a new passcode, and you know, and they forgot about it, and you know, as them as a young older brother, alright, when they want to use their phone, they couldn't do this. So so after that, I've used this software to help a few different people as well, and it works really well, super reliable. The phone still can use you know, sign your own Apple ID, receive constant update from iOS, all this and that. Still works really well without any issue at all. So if you guys want a software that is safe, reliable, and actually tried and tested by me, alright, you guys can check out this passfab iPhone unlock. You guys can check out the first link in the video description down below once again, and you guys can start resetting your phone without worrying about forgetting your Apple ID passcode. So yeah, so that's all for you guys. If I found this video really interesting and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well. So yeah, that's all for you guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.